Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and then act. Install the Chrome Authenticator extension and accept only the permissions it needs. Make sure you have the account QR or secret key visible. This lets you add accounts immediately. Once done, open the extension icon, click Add, and choose Scan or Enter Key. If you want redundancy, enable Chrome Sync now, otherwise plan to export each account manually. This prevents lockout if you lose your device. Now you continue by adding accounts and configuring settings so codes work reliably. Scan the QR code or paste the secret, then label the entry with a clear account name. This avoids confusion later. Make sure the extension uses 30-second top and 6-digit codes because most sites expect that. Next, open settings to set auto-lock delay and clear clipboard quickly. Doing that reduces risk if someone else uses your machine. Once configured, test a login to finish by validating everything and preparing for problems. Test each account login and store recovery codes somewhere safe, like an encrypted vault or printed paper in a locked place. If you use multiple machines, export an encrypted backup of your Authenticator entries and save the passphrase outside your browser. If a code fails, first check your computer's clock. Time drift breaks top, then resync or re-add the account using the secret. If issues persist, restore from your encrypted backup or use the service's recovery options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.